Hello, and welcome to the San Jose State University Instructional Design Tutorials. Today we will be exploring on how to add a web link to a course navigation menu in Canvas for your Canvas course. To start off, make sure you are logged into Canvas. We're currently on our dashboard. Let's open up our course page. To access the web link tool in Canvas, first select the Settings tab in the left-hand side navigation menu. Then, select the Apps tab in the upper navigation bar. To see the currently installed apps, click on the Installed button in the menu. This will display the currently installed apps. The app we will be using is the Redirect Tool app. It looks like this. To see the names of each app, you can hover the cursor over each app, like so. The Redirect tool has an arrow for its logo, as you can see here. By hovering over the icon, we can see that this app is the Redirect Tool app. Click on this app. This brings up the description and some instructions for the Redirect tool. We can add our link as a navigation item here. Let's click on plus add app. This brings up a menu. In this menu, you can change the visible display name of the navigation item and the link itself. You can also toggle some options, including whether the navigation item will open the link in a new tab, and if the link will show in course, account, or user navigation. To add a link, put the text you want to display, and the URL itself. And the options you wish to select. Then press the button labeled Add App. Refresh the page to see the new changes. As you can see, the link has appeared in the left-hand navigation bar. To see what the student sees, click on the right-hand side item labeled Student View. Then, click on the new link you recently created. On this page, click on Open in New tab. This should open up your link. To edit the link, first exit the student view by clicking on the bottom right hand side, labeled Leave Student View. Then, click on the left-hand side navigation, Settings. Click on the top navigation tab, Apps. Then, click on App Configurations. This is a list of all the added apps for this course. To edit your link, locate the app you recently edited, and click on the gear icon on the right hand side of the item. You can either edit the link, delete the link, or view the options you selected earlier when you created the link. Let's edit the link. Here you can see multiple different form options that you can fill in. The most important parts are the actual name of the app and the custom fields. All the others are related directly to the apps and should not be changed. To save your options, click Submit. Clicking on the Placements section will show that you've selected course navigation for this app. If you have any questions about this topic, feel free to fill out our technical support form at engineering.sjsu.edu/instructionaldesign/technical support. There will be a link in the description. Thank you for listening and have a great day.